In this issue of Make Volume 96, we change it up with the Digital Fabrication Guide for 2026. At Make, we've cheered and sometimes steered 2 decades of rapid evolution in digital fabrication tools for home, hobby, and business use. But this year is an astonishing one. Multi-material 3D printing is finally legit, with smart, tool-changing machines that don't waste filament on purges and poops. In this issue, we review Snapmaker's U1 tool changer, plus new 3D printers from Elegoo, Flashforge, and Prusa that are packed with advanced features at plummeting prices. We also go hands-on with 2 new lasers from Xtool, the burly MetalFab, a next-gen laser welder and cutter, and the petite dual-lasered MOPA F2 Ultra engraver for more fine work. And we check out some desktop CNC mini mills that have achieved the trifecta of power, price, and software that doesn't suck. Tool makers are innovating outside the big categories too. For the first time ever, you can do UV printing at home. Why not try a full sheet CNC router that stores on a shelf? Or try new category mashers like the LatheEngraver or the Saltgator soft gel injection molder. It's a good time to succumb to your tool temptations. We've also got 15 fantastic projects, including embrace your inner mad scientist with a high voltage plasma toroid generator. Track the position of the ISS in real time on an actual globe. Hack a Spider-Man style web flinger to control it with your mind. Learn how to use smart serial servos with an OxoCard Connect. Use WLEDs to create full color LED displays. 3D print concrete and metal, and more. You can subscribe to Make at makescene.com/subscribe. Make Magazine comes to you 4 times a year in both print and digital editions. Subscriptions are also available in both of those formats, as well as our premium level subscription, which in addition to both the digital and print copies, you get digital access to our entire 20-year archive, featuring over 1,000 projects across 96 and counting volumes of Make. Single print copies are available at your local Barnes & Noble, and you can buy the latest print copy of Make and get free first-class shipping from the Maker Shed. You can also get the Read It Now digital PDF magazine download at makershed.com.